News coming in from the Calcutta High Court. The Calcutta High Court has begun the hearing for admission of two separate appeals, one by the West Bengal government and the other by the CBI, challenging a trial court order which sentenced the RG Kaur hospital rape murder convict Sanjay Roy to life imprisonment till death. Now, the CBI has claimed that unlike the state government, it has the right to challenge the trial court order on grounds of inadequacy of sentence. And it was investigation. It was the investigation and prosecution agency in this case. So, a development coming in from the court, RG Kaur case. Calcutta High Court has begun hearing. Remember, the Shialda court had sentenced Sanjay Roy to life imprisonment. There was massive outrage after that as there are demands for death penalty. My colleague Ridhita joins us live on the broadcast for more. Ridhita, well, this is, of course, an important update coming in. Tell us more details, please.
Correct. So on last Wednesday, when the case was heard under Justice Bengal Govt and Sabbar Rashid Khan in the division bench, they had said that the plea will be only heard when Abhay's parents is there. Then the case will be heard. And today at the High Court from the morning, the case hearing has started. There has been starting now. At the moment, the discussions are on if the state actually has the right to appeal in the court to challenge the judgment that has been passed by the lower court, by the Shialda court. And at this point, Abhay's lawyer along with her parents have already reached today, because last day, as we have seen, Justice Bengal Govt has said that no appeal will be heard without her parents being present. And also from the parents' side, we have heard that the state has appealed to the higher court but has not notified the parents. So today the parents have come. There has been no plea that has been submitted from their side. There has been no plea that they are filing today, but then they are participating in this twin appeal that is made by both CBI and the state, seeking for Sanjay Roy's death penalty. Back to the studio.
Right. In fact, viewers, just to get you more details, the Calcutta High Court has begun that hearing for the admission of two separate appeals, one by the West Bengal government and the other by the CBI, and challenging that trial court order which sentenced RG Kaur hospital rape murder convict Sanjay Roy to life imprisonment till death. The CBI has also claimed that the state government does not have the right to challenge the trial court order. It was in fact the CBI who can. Now, tell us more about what the CBI has been claiming in this case that has now reached the Calcutta High Court. Ridhita.
Correct, Rakshita. On Wednesday, there was a heated argument that led out in the division bench when the case was being heard. So, the CBI had pointed this one case of the Patna High Court of Lalu Prasad Yadav, and they stated that the state does not have any authority to come up and appeal in the higher court. It is only the investigative agencies who have been investing can come up and appeal in the higher court. So, but the state in defense has said that it is the state which has filed the first FIR, and therefore they hold all the rights to come up and appeal. So today, after that, CBI has come up. I beg your pardon. It was that very day in the evening, on Wednesday evening, that the CBI came up after the court had adjourned for the day. The CBI came up and sought for death penalty for Sanjay Roy in the higher court. They had appealed for it, and today the argument has started. It is the AG which has been heard now. It is the state side which is making their statement in the court now. In the next, we will hear what CBI has to present today. On what grounds are they appealing for the death penalty of Sanjay Roy? And the next will be heard, Abhay's parents will be heard, the side of the parents will be heard. If only they are looking out for a death sentence, a death penalty for Sanjay Roy, because repetitively we have been hearing her parents stating that it is not only Sanjay who is involved, but there are other people also involved, and they do not want one person to be hanged to death, but they want every other culprit to be sentenced to death. That is all that we are gathering at this moment from the High Court.
Right, Rita, in fact, stay on with us, because there is another controversial statement coming in once again coming in from Firhad Hakim. Now, he has come under fire for attacking the parents of Abaya, a victim at the center of the highly charged case. Now, Hakim says that Abaya's family is politicizing this tragedy. They're politicizing the rape and murder of her own daughter, while calls for the death penalty against Sanjay Roy continue to escalate. Listen into Firhad Hakim.
পুত্রী শোকে এমন কিছু বলা উচিত না যেটা ওনার এখতিয়ারের মধ্যে পড়ে না। উনি এখন হয়ে গেছেন যাদের পাল্লায় পড়েছেন, এবার ওনারা পলিটিক্স করছেন তাকে নিয়ে, এটা ঠিক না। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ওনার দয়ায় বা যে দলগুলো রয়েছেন লেফটিস্ট তাদের দয়ায় কিন্তু মুখ্যমন্ত্রী পদে ওখানে বসে নেই। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী বসে আছে, বাংলার মানুষ চেয়েছেন তাই ওই চেয়ারে বসে আছে, কারোর দয়ায় বসে নেই, বাংলার মানুষের সমর্থন নিয়ে বসে আছেন। এবং আমি আবার ওনাকে বলবো যে আপনি আপনার এখতিয়ারের মধ্যে থাকুন, নিশ্চিতভাবে ন্যায় চাইেন, এবং আমিও অত্যন্ত দুঃখিত সিবিআই যেভাবে করেছে, কিন্তু তার মানে এই নয় যে আপনাকে দিয়ে যা বলাবে আপনি তাই বলবেন। এটাতে আপনার নিজের